Hey y'all, it's your old pal Eating Good in the Woods here with a simple 5-ingredient caramelized onion relish. Y'all stick around, I'm gonna show you how. So first things first, we need to get that oil good and hot, and to that, we're gonna add our spices and get them sauteed. Please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, check the bell icon, tell all your friends, etc., maybe even leave me a comment, I'd sure appreciate it. To that, we're gonna add our onion and our apple. We're gonna let that saute until the onion is good and clear. We're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and cut the heat down. Let's give it a taste real quick. Y'all take that on to your next camping trip, and in the meantime, I love you. Y'all go out and be nice to one another. God bless you. We'll see you next time.